Senior Consultant at RV Healthcare, Sector 90, Gurgaon. And I want to highlight some points regarding COVID-19 infection in pregnancy. See, there is no need to panic, no need to worry about it. And the treatment protocol does not change with the pregnancy status. And in mild to asymptomatic disease, I want to highlight some things. In mild to asymptomatic diseases, greater than 95% of patient does not suffer any complications, and chances of transmitting to the neonates and neonates becoming positive is only 4 to 6%. And neonate isolated with the COVID positive mother, but breastfeeding to be continued, and she can touch the baby with all the safety precautions. And breastfeeding is not contraindicated in COVID positive mothers, and no effect on fetus and mother, and it is not an indication for termination of pregnancy. If the pregnant females in the first trimester becomes COVID positive, there is no need to get scared. There is very less chances of any fetal anomaly, and it has not been proved in any data of fetus becoming abnormal or having any anomaly. So that it is not an indication for termination of pregnancy. And no data suggests vaginal delivery increases the chances of infection. And to avoid any nosocomial infection, to increase the safety of mother and baby, people are going for increased cesarean delivery, so that the stay becomes less, and there is to prevent all the nosocomial infections. And in moderate to severe COVID positive infections, there is the increased chances of preeclampsia, IUGR, postpartum hemorrhage and blood transfusions, and all these are known complications of delivery and pregnancy, antenatal and postnatal periods. And obviously cesarean rates are high. And about vaccines, it is not indicated by Government of India in pregnant and lactating mother, because there is not enough data supporting the role of vaccines in pregnant and lactating mothers, and we are not very comfortable about it, because there is not enough data to prove its worth in pregnant and lactating mothers. And the people who are conceiving and those who have taken the vaccines, the clinical trials are still on, and we are not up to something very definitive. So that was my information regarding COVID-19 infection in pregnancy. Again, I am asking you to stay home, stay safe, and use all the precautions, and please don't panic in COVID-19 positive infections, obstetric patients during pregnancy. Thank you.